Aldo, susi. Aldo, susi. Easy, easy. Let's start the ball game. Pasok na po ang first time ng magkabilang kupunan. Mustang kontra Skylines. Pasok na po ang first five, mga idol. First five po, pasok na. First five ng Skyline, number 93. Ramos, number 00. Natividad. Number 54. Number 10, Morales. First five po ng Mustang. Pasok na. First five po ng Mustang. Pasok na. Pasok na, mga idol. 53 Jose, 21 Rodriguez, 61 Samonte, 56 Echo, and number 68 Garcia. Jump ball between number 10 Morales and number 53 Jose. Technical. Headset. Easy lang tayo, easy lang.
Ano ba yan, Junel?
Oh, take two. Ball ng red. Nakakuha ni number 61, no good. Nakakuha ni number 10, Morales. Morales, para sa number 00. Pass, number 54, no good. Nakakuha ni number 53, Jose. Jen, giving the ball. Pass to number 53, back to number 21, pass to number 61, out of bounds. Number 00, 3 puntos para kay number 00, Natividad. Number 21. Number 21 setting the play. Pass to number 61, nice steal. Nice steal. Nakuha pa rin number 23. Pass to number 21. Ay still number 00. Number 00. Out of bounds. Number 53, Jose. Miscommunication, bola mo ng Skyline. Ramos, binaba ang bola, pass to number 54. Pass to number 00. Still the number 56. Number 93, inaras na number 21, pass to number 37, no good. Nakuha ni number 10, no good pa rin. Number 68, pass to number 61. Good for 2, barangay number 61. Natividad, setting the play. Nice stealing number 56. Echo. No good. Good for 2 by number 21. Number 37. Pass to number 54. No good. Nakuha ni number 53. Pass break play para kay number 21. Number 68. Still the number 00. Still the number 54. Pass to number 00. Natividad. 5 for 3. Number 00. 3 points. Jen, sharing the play. Pass to number 3, Kiko. Kiko, umikot. Bigay kay number 68. No good. Last year number. At nakakuha ng foul. Foul si number 61, Samonte. First personal foul number 61 at first team foul. Para sa team ng Mustang. Exactly 7 minutes to play. Ramos, pass to number 00, pass for 3 again. No good na on number 53, pass to number 21. Rodriguez takes 2, no good. Nakakuha pa rin niya. Pass to number 61. Bola ng Skyline. Natividad, pass to number 10, Morales. Pass to number 37, Tanghal. No good. Bola ng mga nakapula. Jen, no good. Nakakuha ni Kiko. No good pa rin. Nakakuha ni Eko. Pass to Kiko. At nakakuha ng foul. Foul si number 93, Ramos. 2 free throw para kay number 53. First personal foul, number 93 at first team foul. Para sa team ng Skyline. First try is good. Kondisyon. Second try is good again. Nag-practice. Setting play. Pass to number 37, Tanghal. Pumeke, Vicky number. At nakakuha ng foul. Foul si number 56, Echo. First personal foul. Second team foul. Para sa Mustang. First throw is good. Last throw para kay number 54. No good. Number 68. Sir. Pass to number 53. Pass to number 21. Pass to number 56. No good. Nakakuha rin number 10. Morales. Bigay kay number 00. Number 00. No good. Nakakuha rin number 10. Bigay kay number 00. No good. Nakakuha rin number 53. Nagmamadali. Pass to number 68. Back to number 53. No good. Nakakuha rin number 37. Number 10, pass to number 93, takes for 3. No good. It's a traveling violation. Mandatory sa mga idol. Number 07. Martin, pass to number 17. Castro, no good. Nakakuha ni number 90. Pass to number 75. Pass to number 93. Pass to number 10. Number 10 sa pag-asa, bumangga at nakakuha ng foul. Foul number 18%. First personal foul at third team foul para sa team ng Musta. Wala ulit. Nakakuha ni number 17. Castro. No good pa rin. Number 93, inaharap si number 01, pass si number 75. Traveling violation. Takbong po. Tanghal, binaba ang bola. Inaharap si number 75. It's a traveling violation.
Shout out, Bung Pascual!
Number 93, Ramos. Pass to number 27, ayan na. Nakakuha pa rin number 10. No good pa rin. Nakakuha pa rin niya. Good board para kay number 10. Number 17, Castro, fires for 3. Wala pa rin. Pass break play para kay number 57. Ayos yung number 01, Tanghal. Tanghal. Bigay kay number... No, number 18. Good ball para kay number 18. For second. Number 93, Tonira. No good. Now on number 01. Number 01, hinaharas. Number 01, bigay number 18%. Nice steal. Nakakuha ni number 75. Nice steal, number 17. Number 17. Bigay number 18. Same ball. Gandang bakbakan. Slap shot yun ah. Number 75. Pass number 7. Good for 2 para kay number 7. Jose. Number 45. Pass to number 17. Castro. No good pa rin. Nagpapainit. Number 93. Ramos. Pass to number 75, Mercado, bigyan ng 7. Slap shot, nakuha ni number 17. Number 45, nagmamadali. Mariano. Number 45. 3 puntos. Sumakit na ang tuhod. Two minutes and 8. Number 90. Pass to number Uy. Nakuha ni number 17, Castro. Castro nagmamadali. Yon, nakabutas din. Good board over kay number 17, Castro. 1 minute and 46. Score po natin 11-13. Number 10, Morales. Nice yung number 18. Tatlong sunod-sunod na yun. Kay number 18, number 01. Pass to number 17. Good board over kay number 17. Number 57. Nagmamadali. Pass to number 19. Condition. Number 45, Mariano. Back to number 45, 10 to shoot. Number 17, 3 points. Exactly 1 minute to play. Number 90, setting the play. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 90, no good down on number 01. 45 seconds left. Number 01, pass to number 17 ulit, bigyan number 45. Number 45, 3 points. 30 seconds to play. Number 10. At nakakuha ng foul si number 18%. Second personal foul ni Corpus at warning for penalty ang team Mustang. First throw is good. Last throw, no good. Nakuha pa rin niya. Bigyan ng 7, 5, 4, 3. Tapos 20 seconds to play. Nice, yung number 75, pass number 10. Wala pa din, nice, nariwan pa rin yan. Nakuha number 75, good for to para number 75. 10 seconds to play. Nice, yung pa rin yung number 75. 5 seconds to play, good for 2 ulit para kay number 75. End of our first and opening quarter. Official score 16-21. Apat ang kalamangan ng Team Mustang. Ay, tama na kwentuhan, ano? Tama na kwentuhan dyan. Back to the ball game, start of our second quarter. Jay, balabo ng balabo ah. Condition naman eh, ayaw mo pumasok. Coach Mag.
Pare! Pare!
Okay na rep. Natividad, si Eric Tableba sa number 54. Nagunawa na number 53. Pass break day para kay number 21. Rodriguez. Rodriguez, bigay kay number 68. No good. Naribo ni number 00. Pass to number 18. CJ. Pass to number 75. Mercado tumira ng 3. No good. Naribo ni number 53. Kiko. Pass to Jem. Jem. Naghahanap ng papasa. Bigay number 68. Sir. Good. Basket count para kay number 68. Foul number 80. Caparas. First personal foul number 18 at first team foul. Bonus shot. No good na one number 18. Number 18. Kinakas ng dalawa. Number 18. Bumangga. No good na one number 75. Bumihit. At nakakuha ng foul. Foul si number 56. Echo. Second personal foul number 6. At first team foul para sa team ng Musta. First try is no good. Last draw. No good again ako ni number 54. No good pa rin. Na-rebound pa rin niya. At nakakuha ng foul. Foul sa number 53. Pushing foul. First personal foul. Second team foul. Naribo ni number 54, good for 2 para kay number 54, Estrada. Pass break din para kay number 21 at nakakuha ng foul. Foul number 37, Tanghal. First personal foul, second team foul. First try is good. Last try, no good. Ako ni number 18. Pass to number 75, pass to number 54. Wala pa rin ako ni number 53. Pass to number 21, number 21 nagmamadali. Nice din number 0. Number 00, inaaras ng dalawa. Number 00. Nice din number 56. Pass to number 68. Number 68. No good na rin one number 18. Caparas. Number 18. Good for 2 para kay number 18. Pass break play para kay number 68. Out of bounds. Number 37. Nakuha nila rin po number 18. Number 18, huli. Back with number 53. Save ball. 9 to shoot. Number 18. Traveling violation. Number 21 sharing the play. Pass to number 68. Pass to number 56. Good for two para kay number 56. Number 00. Pass to number 75. Number 75. Tres puntos. Number 61 fires for 3. No good na ako ni number 21. Bigay kay number 61. Good for 2 para kay number 61. Nice steal. Hit there. Number 18. CJ. CJ. At nakakuha ng foul. Foul si number 68. First personal foul, third team foul. Number 00, tumiras na 3. God bless. Number 61. At ako ng foul. Foul si number 37, Tanghal. Second personal foul. Third team foul para sa team ng Skyline. 3 free throw para kay number 61, Sumonte. First try, no good. Second try, no good again. No good pa rin, para kay number 61. Naribo ni number 18, number 18. Foul number 61. Second personal foul, number 61 at warning for penalty ang team Mustang. Number 00 na tignan. Bola pa rin ng Mustang. Number 37, Tanghal. Pass to number 54. Gandang pasa, gandang tira. Good for 2 para kay number 54. Estrada. Number 75, Mercado. Pass to number 37, Tanghal. Number 37, 3 points. Our score, deadlock, 28. Number 21, slashing the middle, pass to number 18, number 18. Number 18, natakuha ng foul. Foul, number 61. Yo, Englishing. Okay. Penalty tayo, Mr. Rep. Third personal foul, number 61 at penalty situation. First try is good para kay number 18. No good. Na-rebound ni number 61. Pass to number 23. Ayan ba? Bigay kay number 56. Good for 2 para kay number 56. Ayaw pa ilabas. Pasa-pasa lang. Number 00, pass for 3, no good. Na-rebound nino. Same ball. Block by number 21. Nakakuha ni number 53. Number 53. 5 for 3. No good. Number 18. Bumiyak. At foul si number 56. Mandatory sa mga idol. Pasok na po. Third personal foul, number 56. At penalty situation. First try is good. Last try para kay number 18 is good. Takbong Chubby. Takbong Tatay. Number 17, fires for 3. Number 17, Tres Puntos. Batang Complex. Traveling violation. Iba pag Batang Complex, kondisyon. Aray ko. Number 07, pass to number 45, pass to number 18%. Good for 2. Para kay Corpus. Number 18. Slashing si number 18. Nakakuha rin number 93, fires for 3. No good na ako number 90. Bumangga. Vicky number 7. At nakakuha ng foul. Foul si number 17. Batang Complex. First personal foul, penalty. First try, no good. Last try is good para kay Daddy. Number 17, fires for 3 again. Sige kay number 45. No good. Nakakuha yung number. Out of bounds. Bola po ng Skylines. Number 93. Ayan na. Huli. Nakakuha yung number 45. Pass to number 01, number 01, pass to number 17, number 17, pass to number 07, good for 2. Para kay number 07. Number 90, pass break play. Pass to number 18, number 18, binangga. At nakakuha ng foul, foul number 45. Iba na ang magulang. First personal foul, penalty. First try is good. Entering too soon. Bola po ng Mustang. Number 45. Pass to number 01. Pass to number 18%. Nice to number 93. 93, Ramos. Ramos, nagkamadali. Uy! Ramos, Ramos. Ayun lang. Number 40, number 17. Fires for 3. No good. Number 01. Good for 2 para kay number 01. Number 18, Cabras. Pass to number 7. Good for 2 para kay number 7. Big Daddy. Number 45. Pass to number 07. Pumegay bigay number 45. Nice to number 57. Pass to number 18. Daddy, pass to Daddy. Good for two para kay number 18. Number 07, Martin. Pass to number 45. Pass to number 17. Number 17. Slashing the middle. Good for two para kay number 17. Score po natin 37-41. Foul number 07. Two free throw para kay number 90. First personal foul number 07. Iba na ang trentahe. First try, no good. Last throw, no good pa rin. Nakakuha ni Big Daddy. Bola po ng Mustang. Two minutes and 10. Number 17. Pass to number 18. Number 18. Nagmamadali si number 18, number 18. At nakakuha ng foul. Foul si number 07. Second personal foul, number 07. First try is good. Last throw is good again. Coach Mabs. Sharing the play, pass to number 01. Emil, bigay number 17. Fires for three. No good na ako na number 90. Pass to number 93. Back to number 57. Good for two para kay number 57. Number 01, pass to number 18. Huli. Nariwan na number 90. Pass to number 93. Good for two para kay number 18. 1 minute and 5. Coach Mabs, nagbaaba ng bola. Pass to number 07. Fires for 3. No good na ako ni number 90. Number 90. Good for two para kay number 90. Galaw, trentahin. Number 17. 40 seconds to play. Good for two para kay number 17. Number 90. Good for two para kay number 90. 30 seconds to play. 25 seconds to play. Good. No good. Nakuha ni number 10. Pass to number 18. Pass to number 7. Nakuha ni number 18. Number 18. Good for two para kay number 18. 6 seconds to play. At nakakuha ng foul. Foul si number 17. Three seconds to play. 3 seconds to play. Good for two para kay number 7. Offensive daw mga idol. Offensive. Official score po natin. 51-43. Yan. Bawal po straight 15 minutes. Magkulang po yung player hanggang 10 straight lang. Okay po, ha?
Isa.
Yun, ito na natin suwat ng
Kigo, pass to JD. Pass to Jim. 14 to shoot. Number 68. Tres puntos. May kasama pang turo. Natividad, pass to Mercado. Back to Natividad. Pass to number 37, Tanghal. 10 to shoot. Nariwan number 68. Garcia, pass to number 23. Ayan na. Good for two para kay number 23. Hey, to shoot. Nice, steal number 53. 53. Pass to number 56. Wala. Nakakuha rin number. Same ball. Ay, huwag kayo magkwentuhan dyan. Uy. Number 00, pass to number 54. 54. 10 to shoot. Foul number 56. Hacking foul kay number 56. Number 56. Number 68, warning for settlement of the call. Number 56, warning for fouling out. Secret. Wait lang po, mga idol. Naglalaglag daw yung yung screen. Gary, ball number 68. Nice, pinit number. Nakuha pa rin number 6. Eko, pass to number 68. Garcia, pass to number 21. Game, pass to number 3. Ayan na, gumasak na. Good for two para kay number 23. Gasak kung gasak. Ay, nagkakwentuhan po sa ilalim ng ring. Huwag po kayo maingay. Number 00, Natividad. Fires for two. No good. Na-rebound pa rin niya. Number 00. Pass to number 90. Pass to number. Back to number 00. 3 puntos para 2 points na pala para kay number 00. #53-52. Number 68. Now, number 75, number 75. Binigay kay number 37. B-ball ni number 75 at nakakuha ng foul. Foul ni number 68. 2 shots para kay number 75. Sorry, ref. Second personal foul, number 68. Second team foul. First throw is good. Last throw is good again. 55-52. 3-point lead para sa Skyline. Number 21, Rodriguez. Rodriguez, pass to number 61. Pass to number 53. Basket count para kay number 53. Foul number 54. First personal foul. First team foul. St. Vincent connection. Ball shot, no good. Number 00, pass number 97, back to number 00, fires for 3. No good pa rin, nakawa ni number 68. Inaras si number 90, si number 68. Pass to number 21, Rodriguez. Umikot! Good for 2 para kay number 53. Gasak kung gasak. Kunwari, masakit tuhod. Number 00, setting the play. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. No good. Nari-ball number 56. Pass break play. Nice to number 37. Foul number 281, Rodriguez. First personal foul, third team foul. Number 00. Pass to number 37, fires for 3, no good. Nakakuha rin number 54, back to number 37. Binali-bali, nakakuha rin number 56 ulit. Number 56, Echo, nagpamadali. Pass to number 61, takes 3. 3 points para kay number 61, Samonte. Good for 2 para kay number 54. Number 21. No good. Na-rebound ni number 75, Mercado. Announcement po. Ano tawag bro? Injury. Ay number 54. Mandatory sa po. Mandatory sa. Mga idol. Mandatory sa. Announcement mga idol. Meron tayong laro ng Wednesday, Thursday. Sa test na tayo. Kahintay na lang nung update sa GC. Wednesday, Thursday. Sa test na tayo. Sa home court ni CJ. Doon tayo sa home court ni CJ, tsaka ni Kiko. Tsaka ni Castro. Rebound ni number 01. Number 01, pass to number 45, Coach Mabs, fires for 3. Number 45, 3 points. Grabe ang mentality mo, Coach Mabs. Number 18, bumiyak. Bigay kay number 93, pumeke. Tapos, nakakuha ng foul. number 17, Batang Complex. Third personal foul. At warning for penalty po ang team ng Mustang. First try ni Cabaras, no good. Last try is good. 58-62. Apat ang lamang ng team Mustang. Number 17, 5 for 3. Kaboom! 3 puntos para kay Batang Complex. Iba ang kondisyon. Iba ang laro sa complex. Wala pa rin. Karibang ni number 17, Castro. Castro, pass to number 01. Good ball to para kay number 01. Number 18. Ayan na, slashing si number 18. At nakakuha ng foul. Foul si number 17. Number 17. Warning for graduate. At penalty situation na po ang Team Mustang. First try is good. Last try is good again. Number 45, Coach Bobs. Number 07, fires for 3. No good. Now on number 18, Caparas. Caparas nagmamadali. Wala, naribon pa rin niya. Good board para kay number 18. Number 17. Nice stealing number 00. Number 00. Pass to number. Out of bounds. Bola-bola ng Mustang. Tanghal, baba ng bola. Pass to number 18%. Good ball to para kay Corpus. Number 01. Exactly 3 minutes to play. Bumangga at nakakuha ng foul si number 10. First personal foul, number 10 at second team foul. First try, no good. Last throw, wala pa din. Nagsasalsa. Ramos. Uy, iniwan ng Chuhen. No good. Number 7, Jose. Ayan na. Basket count para kay number 18. Foul si number 07. Galing mamasa ni Jose. Third personal foul, number 07. Bonus shot is good. Malinaw mata dyan eh. Number 17. Good for the baray number 70. Nice shooting number 45. Good for Lola. Sorry, volley number 10. Pass to number 18. Number 17. Rebound number 27. Nagmamadali na si Jose. Good for the baray number 93. 1 minute and 50. May dugo, may dugo. Oh, easy lang, daddy. Ba, ayaw niyo maniwala pag sibit. Mild lang. Number 01. Pass to number 00. Number 00. Inaaras to number 07. Number 00. Pass to number 93. Good ball to baray number 18. Pass break by baray number 01. Number 18. Ano? Slam shot yun ah. Number 93. Good for two, baray number 93. Nakabutas din. 1 minute and 5. All 71. Exactly 1 minute to play. Number 01, inaarap sa number 57. Pass to number 00. Good for two, baray number 80. Lamang na ang Team Skyline. Seconds to play for our third quarter. Sakit tuhod. Nag-glitch. 40 seconds to play. Nice steal number 18. Nakakuha ni number 93. Basket count para kay number 93. Fifteen seconds to play. Good for two para kay number 93. 10 seconds to play. Basket count para kay number 18. Foul number 18%. Third personal foul number 18%. Time remaining 2.7. Bonus shot. Is good. Buzzer na lang po yan. And for third quarter, official score 78-73. 5 ang kalamangan ng Skylines. We start of our fourth and final quarter. Gray ball tayo, gray ball.
Nakaisa lang tayo kanina, uy. Dalawa ko, Sa inyo kanina, sir. Third quarter.
Okay na, rep. Number 54, Estrada, no good. Nakakuha ni number 61, Samonte. Nice steal, number 93. Number 93. Pass to number 75. Wala. Wag makulit pag ano, lasing na ha. Good for two, para kay number 17. To shoot. Good for two, para kay number 18. Assist mo yan? Sige, lista ko. Number 17. Pass for 3. No good. Na-rebound ni number 18. Number 18. Nagmamadali. Number 18. Number 18. Now, by number 53. Number 53. Pass to number 68. Good for 2 para kay number 68. 80-77 our score. Foul number 01. First personal foul at first team foul. Number 75, pass to number 18, pass to number 93, pass to number out of bounds. Number 01, pass to number 53. Kaboom! Aray ko! 3 points para kay number 53, Jose. Deadlock, 80. Number 18, sumagasa. Offensive foul para kay number 18. Second personal foul kay number 18. Black, number 18. Number 57. Nagmamadali. Pass to number 93. Meron kay number 57. Good for 2 para kay number 57. Kondisyon. No good. Same ball. No good. Bola ng Gray. 82-80. Lamang ng dalawa ang Skyline. Time remaining 7 minutes and 25. Wala pa rin, nakuha ni number 18. Ang sipag mo. Good for two para kay number 18. Time out! Mustang! Magkalasing na, huwag magulo. Magkalasing, huwag magulo. Pangulo, tawag ka! Rep, may nanggugulo. May nanggugulo. May nanggugulo. Ay, gamay. Ay, may nanggugulo. Number 45. Basket count and three. Para kay number 61. Foul number 75. Possible 4-point play para kay number 61. First personal foul, second team foul. Complete 4-point play para kay number 61. Score all 8 more. Number 57. Good for two para kay number 57. Takbong pogi. Ay, yabang ko. Number 45, pass to number 17, bigay kay number 61. Wala, nakuha ni number 18. Bola mo ng Mustang. Sa Mr. Rep. Number 75 out. Number 10 in. Number 01. Pass to number 53. Ayan na. Huli. Ayan, number 93. Number 93 nagmamadali. At nakakuha ng foul si number 54. Second personal foul, third team foul. Score po natin 86-84. Number 45, pass to number 53. Gumasak na. Wala, nakuha ni number 10. Pass to number 93. Number 93, tumingin pa. Good for two para kay number 93. Number 01, pass to number 17. Pass for three. No good, nakuha ni number 10. Pass to number 18. Pass to number 57. Wala, nakakuha ni number 17, nakisi ni number 18. Wala pa rin. Nakakuha ni number 54. Foul number 45. Second personal foul, second team foul. Number 10. Number 93. Fires for two. Good for 2. Para kay number 93. Kahoon! 3 points para kay number 61. Number 18, nagmamadali. Good for 2 para kay number 18. Number 17. Pass to number 61 ulit. At nakakuha ng foul. Foul si number 10. Sub, Mr. Rep. Number 01 out. Number 21 in. Second personal foul. Number 10 at warning for penalty ang team ng Skyline. First try, no good. Last try. No good pa rin. Nakuha ni number 18. Number 18. Good for Tumaray, number 54. 94, 87. Good for Tumaray, number 61. 4 minutes to play. Number 93, nakalusot. Good for 2, para kay number 93. To serve, timeout ang Team Mustang. Good for 2, para kay number 53. Reserve po, reserve. Number 93. To shoot. No good. Ako rin number 18. At nakakuha ng foul. Foul si number 281. Time out. Team Mustang. Number 21. Second personal foul. Third team foul para sa team ng Mustang.
Pala, nasabi niya sa inyo na yung Monday wala Wednesday.
Back to the ball game.
Wednesday muna sila.
Time remaining 3 minutes and 12.
Martes, ay Martes pala, Martes.
First try, no good. Last try is good. Good for 2, para kay number 21. Ngayon, pumapanak pa kayo dyan. Huwag ano ha. May gustong wala ano ha. Good for 2, para kay number 57. Number 45. No good. Then to shoot. 5 to shoot. Wala pa rin. Nakakuha rin number 18. Pass to number 57. Good for 2 para kay number 57. 101-93. 3 points para kay number 61. Last 2 minutes. Lima lang ang kalamangan ng Skyline. 10 to shoot. Good for 2 para kay number 54. May assist na, may tama pa. No good, nakakuha ni number 93. Number 93, hinaras. 1 minute and 30. 10 to shoot. At nakakuha ng foul. Foul number 61. Number 61, warning for graduate at warning for penalty na po ang Team Mustang. First try, no good. Sablay daw, sabi ni Sagun. Last try is good. Good for 2 para kay number 17. 104-98. Anim lang ang kalamangan. Good for 2 para kay number 18. Good for 2 para kay number 21. 1 minute and 10. 106-100. Last 1 minute. Same ball. $11 seconds to shoot. 57.6 remaining. Huli. Nakakuha rin number 61. Pass to number 53. Good for 2 para kay number 53. Foul si number 45. Penalty, Mr. Rep. Third personal foul, number 45. First try, no good. Pinag-cheer sa ilalim. Last try, no good. At nakakuha ng foul. Foul si number 21. Third personal foul, number 21. Penalty situation. Di na pumasok yung trentahin. First try is good. $108, $102. Good for 2 para kay number 53. 34 seconds to play. Out of bounds. Apat lang po ang kalamangan ng Skyline. 14 to shoot.
Patay.
Foul number 61. Number 61. Graduate. $24 seconds to play. Wala. First try is good. Foul number 18. Penalty. Third personal foul number 18. First try is good. Gusto niyo pala magpasab? Gusto niyo pala magpasab? No good. Good for two para ay number 7. Three points para kay number 45. 10 to shoot. Foul. Foul number 281. 9.2 remaining. Fourth personal foul. Ni number 21. First try. Night night. Yabang. Last throw is good again. Yabang mo ah. Five seconds left. End of the ball game. Magkamayan po magkabilang kupunan. Panalo ang Skyline kontra Mustang.